Check this out. A lead just came in from our Facebook ads. In the next 10 seconds, I'm going to receive a notification on the lead. The lead is going to receive an email follow-up. That lead will be added automatically to a Facebook custom audience, and they're going to be added to an email database for future follow-up, all happening automatically with 0 clicks from me. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can build the exact same thing for your business. Take a look. Hey everyone, this is Kevin Smullin with Kinetic. This is where we help real estate agents get more transactions by building AI-powered systems that save them time, money, and effort. So if you want more information along those lines, this is the place to be. Please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here as part of our community. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the one AI-powered automation that fixed so many problems that happen with Facebook leads. There are really 4 major problems when it comes to running Facebook lead ads. Problem number 1 is that Facebook doesn't notify you of a brand new lead. And this is important because the speed to lead matters. The faster you're able to follow up with the lead, the higher your conversion rate will be. Problem number 2 is having an automated follow-up that goes out to the lead. Statistics show that if you're able to follow up with the lead within the first 5 minutes of the lead being generated, your conversion rate's 9 times higher than if you don't. Now, you're not always going to be available to contact the lead right away. This is where a little technology is your friend. By having an automated email go out to the lead, you make sure nothing slips through the cracks regardless of what time that lead comes in. Problem number 3 is that the lead you've generated from the ad, it's not added automatically to a Facebook custom audience. Now, there is a custom audience option that allows you to track leads that you've generated in the last 90 days. But that's the problem. You can only track it for 90 days using that Facebook setting. Another solution that some people use is you can download a list of the leads that you've generated and then use that to upload and create a custom audience. But it's highly manual, and most people either don't have the time or just forget to do it. And number 4, we want to take that lead and put it in a CRM or an email database that allows us to have more follow-up as time goes on. Conversion rates will increase as you have more touch points along the way, especially with a transaction like real estate. So the beauty of the AI automation I'm going to share with you is it solves all 4 of these problems with one automation that requires nothing manually. Check this out. Okay, so this automation is one that I've built using make.com, and make.com is a great software. Highly recommend going and checking it out. It's where we build a lot of the automations for our business as well as the ones we build for our clients. This specific automation is all about automating the process of what happens once the lead is generated from the ad. Now, you'll notice the first step in the process right here is that the trigger is it's watching the lead form on Facebook. So we've got it connected to the lead form on Facebook, and we're pulling all the fields that are associated with that. Now, in our automation, the first thing that happens once that lead has been generated is that there's an email notification that goes out to the real estate agent that says, hey, you've got a brand new lead. Now, I have this set up as a Gmail where it's notifying the agent, but you'll notice there's really nothing special here. There's just an email being generated that says you have a new lead, and it's plugging in the first name, the last name, the email, and the phone number. And so anytime a lead is generated, that automated email goes out to the agent so that they can contact that lead as quickly as possible. Now, the next step in the process is there's another email that goes out, but this one goes directly to the lead that has been generated. So you'll notice there's a very specific email that we've got being generated that's going out to the person that's customized and also puts in the real estate agent's contact information. So you can customize this to be whatever you want, but that's the way that we have this particular automation set up. Now, step 4 in the automation is we're taking that lead and adding it to the custom audience. The reason why this is so important is because if you use the lead forms option inside custom audiences, you only get to track it for 90 days. But if you have this automation add it to a custom list, then there is no time period. You can market to these people indefinitely. And so you'll notice with the automation, it's tracking the form, and then we've got it tied to the ad account, and then we've selected the custom audience that we want it to add to, and it's adding their name, their phone number, their first name, and their last name, so that all that information goes back into the custom audience, and we're able to contact those people with future ads as we want to through Facebook. The last step of the automation is we've got the lead information going to our email database so that as we send out email blasts in the future, that new lead will be part of that email drip system. Now, you'll notice that we've got it connected with Constant Contact, and what it's doing is it's adding the person's email, their first name, their last name, and their phone number so that we can have additional follow-up messages in the future. What makes this automation so powerful is it solves all four of the problems with one automation that requires nothing manually. Because once the lead has been generated here, there's the notification email sent to the agent right here. There's the automated email going out to the lead right here. They're being added to a Facebook custom audience so that we can run retargeted ads in the future. And they're being added to our email database so that we can send out email blasts in the future and be part of our future marketing. With one automation, we've solved all of the problems that people experience when they're running Facebook ads and why they don't have higher conversion rates. This is just one example of how AI-powered solutions can help solve so many problems in your business and make you more efficient at what you do. As you know, I'm really big on building database marketing systems. However, some of my clients don't have a database to get started with, and so we'll run lead generation ads like this to start building them a list that we can start nurturing. And this is really the nuts and bolts of how you can get started using AI-powered automations. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, take a split second and click that thumbs up button down below. That is a signal to YouTube that you like the content that we're creating, and it helps us more than you could ever know as far as making sure that people just like you who will benefit from this information will be able to see it. Second, if you haven't subscribed, do so. We'd love to be able to share more video content with you every time we put out brand new videos. And lastly, if you would like us to be able to help you build AI automated systems like this for your business, I'll put a link down in the description. You can go check that out and find out more information about us. That's it. Make it a great week. Keep crushing it in your real estate business. As always, if we can help, we're here for that. And otherwise, we will see you on the next video. Take care.